Assalamu alaikum, dear students. It's Pizata Shoaib here, your zoology teacher. Now onwards, I have been recently deputed to your institution in connection with teaching of zoology. Students, as far as your zoology subject is concerned, it comprises of 4 units, and among those units, we are going to start or begin with second unit, that is genetics and evolution. The first topic in the second unit of your textbook is sex determination. So, firstly, we are supposed to understand the term sex determination. As far as the term sex determination is concerned, it is the scientific methodology through which we can determine the sex of an offspring. Almost all the species present in this universe do possess sectionalization into two sections. Or, in other words, we can say that almost all the species of this universe, whether plants or animals, they are grouped, they are categorized into two groups. One group is designated as males, and the other one is designated as females. As far as the male designation or male tag and the female tag given to those individuals belonging to the same species is concerned, this sectionalization, this categorization, this division is based on the type of sex cell, the type of gamete which they produce. In organisms, the genes are, you all already know, genes are responsible for controlling the characteristics. Genes are located in the chromosomes. Chromosomes, as far as the chromosome number is concerned, chromosomes have a peculiarity that they do occur in every individual in pairs, in homologous pairs. Among, if we take single consists of two chromosomes. In those, in a single pair of chromosomes, one one chromosome belongs to one parent, that is one side, and the other chromosome of the same pair belongs or comes from the other side. That means we can simplify it in such a way that in a homologous pair of chromosomes, each of the contributes towards this chromosomal pair. That means in a homologous chromosomal pair, one chromosome is from paternal side and another is from maternal side. That means that the individual, the chromosomal pair shares characters from both the parents, or from father male as well as from the female side. You know, after a successful reproduction, there is gamete formation. Gamete formation, we call that as gametogenesis. During the gametogenesis, there is a cell division which we call as reductional cell division, which you know by the name as meiosis. The meiotic division of the gametogenesis results or leads to the formation of gametes, but during the formation of gametes, the chromosomal number, due to this reductional division, that gets the chromosomal number gets reduced or gets halved, or we can say that the gametes which are resultant of from the gametogenesis, they receive only half the number of chromosomes present in the parental cell or the parent. Those organisms which do possess complete set of chromosomes, we call them as diploids. And when an entity bears only half number of chromosomes, we term that entity as haploid. So you should remember that gametes are always haploid. Now, coming back to the concept of sex determination, mostly the organisms which do have the diploid set of chromosomes. In those organisms, if say for example an organism is having 12 number of chromosomes, when it produces gametes, each gamete would be receiving only half the number of chromosomes. That is, if it produces two gametes, one both the gametes would be possessing only half, that is 6 chromosomes. That's why we call that gametes are always haploid. Moving ahead, in our body or the bodies of organisms, there are two kinds of chromosomes. The whole chromosomal set can be divided or is divisible into two sets or two types of chromosomes. One is sex chromosomes, or we call them as allosomes, and another set is, that is, we call it autosomes. As far as the autosomal set of chromosomes is concerned, autosomes in chromosomal pairs, all the chromosomes are alike, are similar, and they do not have any connection with the sex of the offspring. Rather, they control or are responsible for controlling the somatic or vegetative characters of the body. On the other hand, our main emphasis would be on the sex chromosomal or pairs or sex chromosomes or allosomes. As far as the sex chromosomes are, the name indicates that is this is the chromosomal pair which determines or which is responsible in most of the organisms for determination of sex. These chromosomes, these may be similar or these may be dissimilar. And in case when the case is that the chromosomal, say for example chromosomal pair, sex chromosomal pair is similar, that condition is called as homomorphic condition. For example, I have designated as XX, both are the same, X and X. This is homomorphic condition or similar condition, or the condition in which the chromosomal pair is same. On the other hand, there are these chromosomal pair may be different or dissimilar or heteromorphic, say X and Y. In case of those individuals having homomorphic chromosomal pair, when they produce gametes, all the gametes would be carrying same, that is X chromosome, or we can say that homomorphic individuals having similar kinds of sex chromosomal pair always produce same kind of gametes, or हम कह सकते हैं कि they are homogametic as well. On the other hand, those individuals having dissimilar or different sex chromosomal difference in their sex chromosomal pair, they produce two kinds or different kinds or two kinds of sex chromosomes, and sorry, the gametes, they are regarded as heterogametic as well. As far as the allosomes are concerned, allosomes, you should remember that allosomes are different from rest of the chromosomes, that is autosomes, and they are the main criteria for determination of the sex of the offspring. Now onwards, we will be discussing in our next lecture, we will discussing chromosome different methods of sex determination. Different individuals show different kinds of sex determination methods. In some cases, the chromosomes are responsible for determination of sex. In others, haploid and diploid nature is responsible for determination of male and female sex. In some others, there are some other methodologies. Even food can determine the type of sex of the offspring. And step by step, we shall be moving ahead. uh, I guess you all would be cooperating and taking these lectures in a serious manner, so that we can a bit compensate the loss we have faced. Although it can not fully compensate the normal schooling or routine schooling, but the virtual methodology is a bit of remedial measure which we all have initiated as per the directions of our higher ups. Hope you cooperate. Thank you very much.